Every time you use a ladder, you should do a pre-use check beforehand to make sure that it is safe for use. Once you have checked the ladder, you should record the check. Simply scan the QR code attached to the ladder and record your visual inspection within the asset history. If you find any defects, take the ladder out of use and report this to your manager. You should also record this in the asset history by taking a photo from your mobile and uploading the image of any damage. A pre-use check should be carried out by the user before using the ladder for any work task, or if something has changed, like a ladder being dropped or damaged. Ladders should be checked when being moved from a dirty area to a cleaner area to check the state and condition of the feet and runs. The benefit of conducting pre-use checks is that they provide the opportunity to pick up any immediate serious defects before they cause an accident. Here are a few step ladder safety tips. Step ladders are ideal for quick, low-risk jobs. If you need to work at height for more than, say, half an hour, you should consider an alternative access solution. You can see by the example in the video how not to use a step ladder. Give your step ladder a brief visual inspection before use. Make sure there are no signs of damage. Make sure all of the ladder's feet are firmly on the ground and keep them in contact with the ground at all times. Always check to ensure the ladder is fully unfolded and that the locking mechanism is engaged. Do not exceed the step ladder's maximum load limit. Remember, it's not just your own body weight that counts, and always avoid carrying heavy objects while using the ladder. If possible, the step ladder should be positioned so that you're facing your work, instead of twisting around and working side-on. Don't overreach. Instead of stretching to reach something, get down and reposition the ladder as needed. Keep 3 points of contact with the ladder at all times, ideally 2 feet and 1 hand. If you need both hands free to work, keep both feet on the same step of the ladder, and use the ladder itself to support your knees or chest as a third point of contact. If there's a possibility that your work may push the ladder sideways if you use the top run, it may be necessary to tie the ladder for extra stability. Your goal when using a step ladder, or any other sort of ladder for that matter. You should consider the risk and look to minimize it where possible. You should also review the risk assessment or speak to your supervisor if you are unsure at any stage. If you feel uncomfortable using the ladders, then stop work and speak to your manager or supervisor.